Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. Today we're going to talk about a problem that many of us face: car locks. From jammed locks to keys that won't turn, we have all the solutions you need. Stay tuned to learn about the most common car lock problems and how to solve them. Every car owner knows that buying a car comes with both convenience and some car lock and key issues you might have to deal with. Some of these issues can be solved quickly, and some can be predicted or detected at an annual technical inspection. One common car lock issue is faulty electrical wiring. If your doors won't open or close after several attempts, damaged wiring is likely the culprit. This problem is challenging to fix on your own, so it's best to take your car to a technician. A professional can quickly replace the wiring, ensuring your car doors work properly and stay secure. Another common issue is a key fob malfunction. If your car door doesn't respond when using the fob, the batteries might be dead or there could be a more serious problem. If replacing the batteries doesn't work, take the fob to a car dealer or automotive locksmith. They can connect it to a computer to check the signal and reprogram or replace the fob if necessary. This issue often occurs in winter when temperatures drop below zero. How can you prevent it? Use a silicone spray on your locks every few weeks to keep them from freezing. This simple maintenance step will help ensure your locks work smoothly, even in the coldest weather. The fuse prevents excessive current from flowing in your vehicle. How can you tell if a fuse is blown? If one door works and the other doesn't, the fuse is likely the issue. Check this yourself before calling a technician. The instruction manual will show the fuse box location, usually behind a plastic panel in the driver's footwell. Identify the fuse responsible for the car door. A blown fuse has a visible gap. Once confirmed, call a technician to replace it with one of the same current. If the lock is damaged, the car doors won't lock or unlock properly. This often happens if burglars have tampered with your car's locks, but locks can also wear out over time. In either case, the best solution is to replace the lock. Contact a professional locksmith to quickly identify and fix the problem. No matter which of these issues you face, knowing how to solve them is key. Sure Lock and Key can help with all these problems. We offer a full range of automotive locksmith services, so you don't have to worry about broken locks or dead key fob batteries. Trust us to handle it professionally and affordably. Visit our website or call us for professional locksmith services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on keeping your property safe and secure. Until next time, stay safe and stay secure.